What's up, Mustangs? I'm Miss Titus, and today we're talking about order of operations, also known as Pemdas. Now, you've probably done Pemdas before, but we're just going to review it. Before we get into that, though, we need to define an algebraic expression, because whenever we use Pemdas, we're simplifying algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase. Okay, that's going to be our definition. Our characteristics are going to be it contains numbers, variables, and operations. So, for example, the expression 2 times 3x minus 4. This is an example of an algebraic expression. We've got numbers, we've got variables, the variable x, and we have operations. We have subtraction and we have multiplication. Okay? A non-example, so here's our example. Would be this right here. 2 plus 2 equals 4. The thing that makes this a non-example is that it has an equal sign. So you can always tell if it's an algebraic expression or not, based on whether or not it has an equal sign. If it has an equal sign, it's not an expression, it's an equation. So whenever we have algebraic expressions like this, we are going to simplify them using PEMDAS or order of operations. So on the front, you should already have your foldable. Okay. So on the front of your foldable, you are going to write the mnemonic device that we use to remember order of operations, which is PEMDAS. P-E-M-D-A-S. Okay? If you open up your foldable, it tells you on the back side what each letter stands for. P stands for parentheses. So we always start with our parentheses. We're going to simplify what is inside the parentheses. So 4 minus 1 is 3. And then I'm going to rewrite the rest of the expression. Okay, and then I'm going to look at my next flap, which is going to be E. E stands for exponents, so the only exponent I have is this 3 squared right here. I'm going to do 3 times 5 minus 9 divided by 3 plus 2, because 3 squared simplified is 9. Okay, next we have multiplication and division, and the thing to remember about this step is that we always work from left to right. Multiplication doesn't always come before division, only if it's on the left side, which just happens to be the case this time. So 3 times 5, and then here I have 9 divided by 3, so I'm going to simplify both of those expressions. 3 times 5 is 15, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay? And that is our multiplication and division step. Multiply and divide. Oops, I should have written that down here. Okay, the last step is to add and subtract. Now again, addition doesn't always come before subtraction. We work from left to right. That means first we have to subtract 15 minus 3, so that's going to give me 12. And then we're going to add 2. So we're going to add and subtract. So 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And that is your simplified answer. Now, we can put this in our calculator and check as long as we put it in exactly the way that it appears. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 times 5 minus 3 squared divided by 4 minus 1 plus 2. And I end up with 14. Awesome. Make sure you make it a great day and staying strong.